Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Is a payer's TIN the same as a federal ID number? The short answer is yes, they are often the same thing, but it's important to understand why to avoid confusion on your tax forms. Let's break it down. The term TIN is the key here. TIN stands for Taxpayer Identification Number, and it's a broad, umbrella term used by the IRS to identify people and businesses for tax purposes. Think of TIN as the general category, like the word vehicle. Under this main category, there are a few specific types. The two most common types of TINs are the Social Security Number, or SSN, which is for individuals, and the Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which is for businesses, trusts, and estates. The term Federal ID Number is just a common, everyday name for an EIN. So, when someone says Federal ID Number, they are almost always talking about a business's EIN. Now, let's bring in the payer part. The payer is simply the person or company that is paying you for your services. The payer's TIN is the specific taxpayer identification number that belongs to that person or company. So, if the entity paying you is a business, like a corporation or an LLC, their payer's TIN will be their employer identification number, which is also known as their federal ID number. In this very common scenario, the payer's TIN and the federal ID number are exactly the same thing. This is the number you'll see on the Form 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC that they send you. It's usually in a box labeled Payer's Federal Identification Number. This is different from your number, which is the recipient's identification number. When a client asks you to fill out a Form W-9 before they pay you, they are collecting your TIN, not theirs. You are providing them with either your SSN, if you're a sole proprietor, or your business's EIN so they can correctly report the payments they made to you. To put it all together, TIN is the general category. A federal ID number is a common name for a specific type of TIN called an EIN, which is used by businesses. A payer's TIN is the TIN belonging to the entity paying you. Therefore, if your payer is a business, their payer's TIN is their federal ID number. It's all about understanding that one term is a broad category and the other is a specific type within it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped clear up the confusion between these terms, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple explanations on tax and business topics.